Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. New York City Mayor Eric Adams and his re-election bid. Trump to meet Republican Democratic leaders as US government shutdown looms. PM expects good news for Gaza soon. Fans question Captain Agha's decision to give the last over to Haris Rauf during the Asia Cup 2025 final against India in Dubai. Let's look into details. New York City Mayor Eric Adams is ending his re-election bid, a move long sought by rivals of Democratic nominee Zohran Mamdani, who have wanted to consolidate the opposition against him. Adams announced his decision Sunday in a video posted to X, saying, "Despite all we have achieved, I cannot continue my re-election campaign. The constant media speculation about my future and the campaign finance board's decision to withhold millions of dollars have undermined my ability to raise the funds needed for our serious campaign. This campaign was for the underserved, the marginalized, the abandoned and betrayed by government," Adams said. "Since then, it has been my honor to be your mayor, and I am proud to say that we took that victory 4 years ago and turned it into action, making this city better for those who have been failed by government." United States President Donald Trump is set to meet with top Republicans and Democrats in Congress amid a looming deadline to keep funding the federal government. Trump's scheduled meeting with congressional leaders on Monday comes as the U.S. government is facing a partial shutdown from midnight on Wednesday unless lawmakers can agree on a spending bill. The standoff comes after Democrats in the U.S. Senate earlier this month rejected a Republican-drafted stopgap spending bill to keep the government running until November 21. Democrats have argued that any spending bill should include provision to expand health care coverage, including by reversing cuts to Medicaid that were included in Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill Act. Republicans argue that healthcare related provisions should be addressed separately as part of the negotiations for a comprehensive spending package. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said that the recent meeting of Muslim and Arab leaders with the US President Donald Trump is likely to yield a positive outcome for Gaza, which has been facing Israel's genocidal aggression for the last 2 years. The meeting of Arab Islamic countries chaired by US President Donald Trump will produce encouraging results on the issue of Gaza, Shehbaz Sharif said on Sunday while talking to the overseas Pakistanis at Pakistan High Commission in London. The PM arrived in the UK after addressing the United Nations General Assembly session earlier. Shehbaz Sharif and leaders from Qatar, Jordan, Turkey, Indonesia, Egypt, United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia met with the Trump in New York on September 24. Fans question Captain Agha's decision to give the last over to the Haris Rauf during the Asia Cup 2025 final against India in Dubai on Sunday. Rauf had a tough day, giving away 50 runs in 3.4 overs at a high economy rate of 13.63 without taking any wickets. At one stage, Pakistan was back in the game when Saim Ayub bowled a tight 14th over, conceding only 5 runs. India still needed 64 runs from 36 balls, but in the very next over, Rauf leaked 17 runs with 2 fours and 6 and singles, which allowed India to regain control. He later gave away 13 runs in the 18th over, reducing Pakistan's chances further. In the final over, he failed to defend 10 runs, conceding a 4 and a 6, and India won by 5 wickets with 2 balls remaining. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.